Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi here. Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes, brought to you by Omni True Value Hardware. And they're getting ready for spring, so they got mulch and topsoil and gravel and everything you need to landscape your home. So give them a call, 631 756 1125. They are, again, at 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon, and the website is omnitruevalue.com. And also brought to you by Wholesale Holiday Lighting by Giannini at 162 Ocean Avenue in Lindenhurst. You can plan ahead for the next holiday season, or maybe you want to become a holiday decorator to make a little extra money. Holiday lighting specialists they are, and they'll meet your decorating needs. 631 957 5106. So, a bit of a change after yesterday's nice let's call it a nice late winter type of day where temperatures responded by climbing up into the 50s, and in many areas in southern New Jersey and southeastern Pennsylvania, south and west, we saw temperatures actually make the upper 50s to around 60. Not too shabby, and getting rid of a little bit of the snow cover that's been around for a while. But today, a bit different. We actually aren't that cold this morning. The cold air is the way it's coming in, kind of timed out more to come in during the daytime today. So temperatures are probably not going to go very far, even though we'll probably have some sunshine. Highs will only be in the mid to upper 40s from everywhere from northeast Virginia all the way up to southern New England. And then you go a little bit further north than that, and you can see upstate New York. And then as you move up into northern New England, you're seeing temperatures barely out of the low 30s for daytime highs. And we'll do it one more time on Thursday with on Friday with temperatures topping out in the low to mid 40s. And then we're going to see numbers start to go up over the weekend. This cold air goes out, and during Saturday, we could see temperatures from the upper 40s to mid 50s for highs, and the same may hold true for Sunday, though that is probably going to come with some rain. And you can see the temperatures here running pretty much upper 40s to middle 50s. Not a whole heck of a lot going on the satellite this morning. We had a cold front move through overnight, and one or two places got a passing shower, and that was about it. That has now moved offshore. We are seeing some patchy clouds around along the coast down into northern Virginia, and also back up into parts of northwest Pennsylvania and upstate New York. Typical when a high builds in and you get a wind from the northwest, picking up a little bit of moisture. And we're noticing on the radar some lake effect. This is as of 8 a.m. Eastern time, a little bit of lake effect snow going on east shores of Lake Ontario. And as far as other areas showing some precipitation, eastern Maine, the mid-Atlantic states quiet, the southeast quiet, the Gulf states are all quiet. And moving back, we're seeing some snow in parts of eastern and southeastern Colorado, and some stormy conditions on up into the Pacific Northwest. But there are no major storms around. Here's a profile of surface temperatures and wind and dew points this morning, and we're seeing our 8 a.m. temperatures that bottomed out in the mid-30s and lower 40s. Again, the cold air didn't really come in during the overnight. It's sort of coming in during the day today, and that's why temperatures will be going nowhere. With respect to the WPC forecast for rainfall over the next 7 days, you can see a very large area of rain on the order of 3 inches or more. This is through next Thursday morning from northeastern Texas into the Tennessee and Ohio Valley, and then extending out into the mid-Atlantic states, and you start to get into rainfall amounts on the order of an inch to an inch and a half, inch and 3/4. But it does cut down considerably as you move northward, half to 3/4 of an inch, reaching up to about New York City, and then you start to see 1/4 to half inch amounts further north than that, and even lighter amounts as you head up into upstate New York. So this is really not going to be any kind of super stormy period. It's normally coming out of a stretch where we had 5 storms in less than 3 weeks, and now we're kind of at the opposite end of that, where the weather systems that we're dealing with look to be minor in nature. So just running through the models today and into Friday, really high pressure is going to be in control, so we should have 2 nice days, although we might start to see some clouds come in later in the day Friday into Friday night. You see that rain that moves through the lower Ohio and Tennessee Valley, maybe even a little bit of snow or some freezing precip in parts of Western Virginia, particularly in the mountains. That lifts northward for Saturday, so we'll get into some rain here, mid-Atlantic and Northeast. That low moves out. A brief break late Saturday night, early Sunday morning, but then here comes the next weather system with maybe some more rain here Sunday night into Monday. And later on Monday, it was a cold front sags to the south. We've got a quick shot, very quick shot of very cold air. The coldest of that cold air is going to be in upstate New York and in northern New England. Some of it will make it down into the northern mid-Atlantic states, but it's going to be very short. Monday night into Tuesday morning, and then the cold air is going to pull out, and we will move along. Now we're into the month of March next week, and it looks like we might have a couple of nice days in the middle part of the week, and maybe even a setup with a west wind could help to warm things up a bit. The March sun can do a lot of work in bringing temperatures up quite nicely, as long as the wind behaves and we don't have any kind of sea breeze issue to deal with. So that is a good thing. So our weather in 5 today brought to you by Omni True Value Hardware, getting ready for spring now. So they have mulch, topsoil, gravel, whatever you need. 631-756-1125, 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon. And the website is omnitruevalue.com. Also brought to you by Wholesale Holiday Lighting by Giannini, meeting all your holiday decorating needs. Holiday lighting specialists. They are at 162 Ocean Avenue in Lindenhurst, 631-957-5106. And the website is liholidaylighting.com. The Joe and Joe Weather Show is going to be on tonight at 7:30 Eastern Time on my YouTube channel, so be sure and tune in for that, and have a great day. Try to enjoy the nice weather, even though it's a little bit chillier than what it was yesterday. We'll see you later.